and gentlemen, Namaste and welcome to Sreemr Homes. Today I am here to take you an exclusive tour of this magnificent 3-floor 4 BHK Somboulevard villa. A true masterpiece designed for those who believe in living life king size. The lush green surroundings, a wide driveway, and beautiful landscaped garden create a serene welcome. The entrance opens into a spacious living room with large windows that invite ample sunlight, creating a warm and vibrant atmosphere. The interiors are thoughtfully designed with the premium flooring and elegant lighting that enhance every detail. Welcome to the first parent's bedroom. A cozy yet elegant space designed for comfort and style. The large window brings in plenty of natural light, creating a warm and peaceful atmosphere. And just beside it, you will find an attached washroom, thoughtfully designed with premium fittings. Now, moving ahead, this beautifully designed space will connect to the living and kitchen area. Here, you will notice a sleek and modern lift. Now let's take the lift, or you can also use the elegant staircase and move towards the first floor. Welcome to the living area on the first floor. This area serves as a perfect family corner, ideal for relaxed evenings. Adjacent to the living area, you will find a beautifully crafted puja room, designed to bring a sense of peace and positivity into your everyday life. And here we have the first bedroom, designed as a master suite, a crown jewel of a first floor. This moment you walk in, you will feel the perfect blend of sophistication and comfort. It features a premium finishes, elegant decor, and a private attached washroom for complete convenience. And here you will find a beautiful balcony extends from the room, offering a peaceful view, ideal for your morning coffee or an evening breezy. Moving ahead, let's step into the kids' bedroom. This room is spacious and elegantly styled, perfect for guests or family members. Large windows allows plenty of sunlight, and the layout ensures the excellent cross ventilation. Attached to this bedroom is a modern washroom, designed with both functionality and luxury in mind. Now, moving to the second floor, a perfect blend of comfort and modern living. As we enter the guest bedroom, you will instantly notice the calm and cozy atmosphere that defines this space. Large window invites a natural sunlight during the day and offers a serene view in the evening. The attached washroom is equipped with premium fittings, modern tiles, and excellent ventilation. Just beside the bedroom, you will find one of the most exciting spaces in the entire home, the home theater room, designed for pure entertainment and family fun. This room transforms ordinary movie nights into cinematic experience. Now, let's step into one of the most beautiful spaces of this home, the open sky area, a place where you can breathe fresh air and enjoy the morning sunlight and unwind the stars at night. For more details, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.